So if you follow technology like I do, then you'll have heard the term no-code. No-code programming. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, in the industrial robot space, no-code programming is huge. Let's find out why. I'm Kel Guerin, and this is another Ready Session. All right, so if you've ever programmed an industrial robot before, then you probably are used to using a device like this. And if you haven't programmed an industrial robot before, that's what it looks like. Each of these devices require that you learn a specific programming language, and every robot is different from the next. Like this, or this, or this. Each of those user interfaces require that you learn a specific programming language for that brand of robot, and then write lines of code in order to program the robot. But what if you didn't have to do any of that? What if there was a single way to program robots that was no code? Something like this. This is the state of the art in robot programming, and it's a no-code interface that anyone can easily learn how to use. Instead of writing lines of code in a specific robot programming language to make the robot to do each individual thing it needs to do, everything that the robot can do is represented by a simple and easy to understand building block. These blocks are the same for any robot, which means somebody can learn this one no-code interface and be able to program any industrial robot. So why is no-code programming such a big deal in the robotics and manufacturing space? Well, it really comes down to accessibility. Robots have been traditionally really hard to use because you had to learn how to write lines of code in that specific programming language for that robot. If you ever decided to switch to a different robot, you had to learn all of it over again. A no-code interface is much easier to learn, and it works with any robot, which means now anyone at any skill level at any factory can very quickly learn how to program a robot and get value out of these amazing tools. It unlocks robotics in a way that we really haven't seen before. That is the power of no code.